Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be including the prices, SKU features, and launch dates if available. And you know our practice here. If you are liking anything so far, kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. Guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming Louis Vuitton bags from their latest Runway Collection Fall Winter 2024. I would be sharing all the bags, guys, from the latest collection. I would be including product features and everything that you need to know. And kindly, we are expecting that we can pre-order this one third quarter. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, let us start first with the ALMAs of the collection. First, we have the ALMA GM. So this is a GM size. It looks like a leather printed bag, and as you're going to notice, the print is like the age shrunk details, and it would come with clochette and bag tag as well. So what do you think of this vintage looking ALMA, guys? Then we have, of course, the ALMA size PM. This is the middle size. As you can see, the entirety of the ALMA is still printed with the details of an age Louis Vuitton trunk. I love the bag tag. It looks vintage. It looks really nice. Although the paint or print, I'm not really sure yet. Then we have the ALMA PM, another ALMA PM. This one, the size is in PM, and of course the material is the noir epi leather. This is a new ALMA design where the zipper is only on the sides and it has an opening like tote. It would definitely come with a clochette, as we could see here. Then we have the very beautiful ALMA BB. So this one is made in gray leather. It would come in gold hardware with clochette, padlock, and I believe with crossbody strap. And closing in, you are going to see that it looks like the leather is printed with the Louis Vuitton monogram, as we could see here. So this is not a patent leather in my opinion. Then guys, this one, it looks like an ALMA but it's not. So it's like an ALMA tote. Kindly comment down below if you have this bag style from LV. I believe this looks like a re-edition of one of their Louis Vuitton bags. So the main material is the classic monogram canvas, and it would come with vachetta leather trims as well. Then the return of the egg bag is here. So this one, although this egg bag, the shape is a little bit more different. I would say it's more of like an almond shaped Louis Vuitton bag, but the canvas is the classic monogram canvas. It would have vachetta and it would have a single top handle with crossbody strap. Then we have a monogram tote. I feel again this is another re-edition of the monogram tote. The name I'm not just really familiar. So guys, if you have this design of tote from LV, so kindly comment down below. I think the new addition to this bag is it would come with the large vachetta at the bottom of the bag like this to give it more structure. Then we have the very beautiful side trunk. So we are going to discuss many side trunk from the collection. So the very first one, so as we are going to notice, the print and design, it looks like a vintage or age Louis Vuitton trunk, but still the side trunk details are still present with S-lock closure and detachable straps. Alright, next we have this very beautiful side trunk in leather. Leather is printed with giant Louis Vuitton monogram. If we're going to zoom in, it would come with leather top handle, leather crossbody strap with gold hardware. So as you're going to see, guys, it has the Louis Vuitton giant monograms at the entirety of the bag. Then we have this side trunk size nano. So this would be their version of the quiet luxury side trunk version. So this is a party size. Actually, I am loving and responding well to this side trunk. So as you're going to see, they're using very exquisite and very beautiful leather. And it has Louis Vuitton gold stamping. And I love the chain that it comes with. Very suited for evening out. Then we have another nano side trunk. So this one, the color is white with silver hardware. Although this one is really small, so maybe you could just put in your credit card, lipstick, key fob, and that's it. So I'm expecting definitely no regular size phone would fit inside. Then we have the classic Louis Vuitton side trunk. So this one is made in the monogram canvas with vachetta top handle and gold hardware. So I'm not really sure what's new with this side trunk. Maybe it's the color of the monogram or it's just the lighting in the runway. So kindly comment down below if you think this is just the regular classic monogram side trunk of LV that they have released previously. Then guys, I am calling this one the side trunk pochette. So this has the side trunk details, but of course, it is a pochette style because you're going to see it is a slimmer version or slimmer form. So this one comes in the printed design of the old or aged Louis Vuitton trunk, and it comes with the aged bag tag as well with crossbody. Next, we have the side trunk pochette. So this one would come in the classic monogram canvas. It has the gold hardware. I am actually loving this designs. As you could see, it has a very beautiful slouch, soft monogram canvas. It has gold hardware, and it comes with thicker top handle design. Then we have Louis Vuitton trunks following this new collection. So first we have the Louis Vuitton top handle trunk in the exotic materials. I'm feeling that this is a snakeskin, but then again I could be wrong because looking closely I'm looking that it's like a digitized print. It comes with silver hardware and it comes with S-lock closure as well. Then we have another teeny tiny Louis Vuitton trunk or vanity. So this one, so it comes in silver material and it would come with silver hardware with detachable strap. So I am actually loving the hardware on this bag. So what do you think? And then we have the petite malle. So this petite malle is very gorgeous, guys. So metallic silver colorway. It comes in the quilted or the mallet touch detailing. So I'm not really sure if this is puffy or not. Then it would come with silver strap, silver hardware with silver S-lock closure. Then we have another trunk vanity. So this one is a top handle bag in gray colorway with silver hardware. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton Go 14. So I think this is the only Louis Vuitton Go 14 design bag that I've seen on the runway. But how gorgeous this bag is. Just look how they have intricately done the beading on the Go 14 bag. It would come in the gold hardware. So of course, it would come with a top handle and a crossbody chain strap as well. Then we have the very beautiful square bag. So this is a very beautiful canvas design bag. As we are going to notice, we are seeing like the age trunk detail or design of the bag. It would come with the bag tag as well. I'm guessing that this age trunk design detail, they're going to come up with a separate collection entirely with this, like a heritage Louis Vuitton collection. Then we have the hat box bag. So it would come in two designs. So like this one, this is a top handle design, and it would come with a crossbody bag design like this. And of course, it would come with the Louis Vuitton twist lock closure, just like with the Louis Vuitton twist bag. So I'm guessing, guys, to be honest, these designs would not come in production. It's just my prediction. And then we have this very beautiful trunk vanity. So among the trunk vanity that we have discussed, this is definitely my favorite because we're going to see classic Louis Vuitton monogram, and you're going to see on the edge of the bag like the classic Louis Vuitton trunk details with the LV writing, just like with the Louis Vuitton side trunk. Then we have, this is a new design bag, the top handle bag from Louis Vuitton. So actually guys, to be honest, this kind of reminds me of the Miu Miu bag that is popular right now. Although I am loving this design because very quiet luxury, no visible monogram or screaming logo, so you're just going to see the gold stamping of the Louis Vuitton logo in front, then that's it. Then we have the updated version of the City Steamer. So guys, what do you think of this City Steamer bag? So what's new about this one? It has extensions on the sides like this, like tongue. To be honest, I'm not responding, but I think they're trying to come up with their own design of the famous Vero Margot bag. What do you think? Then we have the new Petite Mal bag. So this one, I am responding very, very well. So it's like two bags sandwiched together, as you can see here, because the front is the Petite Mal and then the back side is like a vanity bag with top handle. So I am loving the contrast of this one. So it comes in different colorways as well. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the upcoming Louis Vuitton bags that we have discussed for today, do you have any favorites so far? Did you add anything to your wishes? Kindly comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Before we end our episode, guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!